Hello, my name is Federico Garza. Today I want to share you what I learned in the course and working collaboratively with our Brazilian folks. Well, firstly, at the beginning of this course, I wasn't even sure what to expect. I had some basic ideas about gender issues, but honestly, a lot of my thinkings were still influenced by stereotypes and biases. Early on, we explored about how gender is a social construct, not just a biological fact, and how that shapes our roles, our opportunities, and even our safety. That insight changed everything for me. One of the most powerful things that I learned in this course was that feminism is it's not about exclusion. It's about equality and human rights. It's about making sure that everyone's get the same opportunities in life. We also explored the important distinctions between sex and gender and the impact of inclusive language and policies. And speaking about the international project, as I already mentioned, I worked with classmates from Brazil. Our topic was the public policies for LGBTQ youth in countries like US, Canada, UK, and Sweden. We focus on one solution: professional training for educators, healthcare workers, and law enforcement. This to better support LGBTQ plus youth. Why is this so important? Because even in countries with good laws, lack of training lead to discrimination, to poor mental health, and exclusion. And we found out that in the US, over 40% of LGBTQ youth considered suicide in the past year. And this is not only a number, it's a wake-up call. Working across the countries with the Brazilians wasn't always easy. At first, as I already mentioned in one activity, our team was very collaborative, especially at the beginning. But then over time, communication dropped off. Not everyone did their parts, but still we adapted and reorganized and delivered a solid work. That taught me a lot about resilience, flexibility, and teamwork. So, what do I take from this course? That real change starts with small actions, calling out for injustice, including using inclusive language and creating safe spaces for everyone. We don't have to be activists to make a difference. We just need to care